This is the EC460C High Reach, which was built to ensure maximum safety in all demolition applications. Falling debris is something common among demolition jobs. That's why a machine with a sturdy frame and ultimate protection is much appreciated. In the case of the EC460C High Reach, it can provide both of these things while also giving a wider and clearer view of the job site. This does not only increase productivity, but also enhances safety through giving excellent visibility. When it comes to loading and transporting utility wires or fiber cables, the RT Bed by Dewis can effortlessly do that without the help of any trailer. This reliable machine also allows the lifting and loading of inner duct reels, the handholds, and frame poles even with just one man overseeing the operation, hence saving a lot of time and finances in your project. Its amazing performance is made possible by the impressive design of this machine. Its physical components are made with heavy-duty steel and engineered to have a trouble-free performance. This machine also sets a lot of firsts in the market. Aside from this, is also the only parallel squeeze bed able to reach 28 to 53 inches. It is also the only flatbed that exclusively features clutch pump kits manufactured in-house. These kits are specifically designed to meet your truck's horsepower requirements while running independently from your truck's transmission. To give operators an easier way of loading and unloading, the Dewis Real Transport Bed is complete with a pair of risers, lift bar, and dual lift cylinders. To assist hauling needs, the RT Bed includes dummy arms that are assembled with tie-down hooks. While the lift bar is not in use, the dummy arms align with the bed arms to create side rails on the perimeter of the deck. Aside from that, the Dewis flatbeds are coated with gator hide from lining to deck surface. The gator hide has polyurethane coating that creates a corrosion-resistant surface designed to withstand treacherous weather and built to last. Up next, the Walter Finkbeiner GMBH is considered to be the most flexible lifting systems in the world. It is manufactured with the highest quality standards at the Freudenstadt headquarters. Since it is an in-house production, the speed, accuracy, and individual adaptations are guaranteed. To ensure the delivery of high-quality service, the lifts are subject to holistic quality all throughout the manufacturing process. The company makes sure that every single lift is checked and tested before it is released. Once the final inspection is done, the lifts are immediately ready for use. With its unconventional crusher buckets, the Genesis Bucket Crusher easily becomes one of the strongest machines in the market. Aside from its strong build, it also has unique aggressive figure 8 crushing motion that produces high-quality cubicle products, enabling the aggregate to be reused on-site. With its extra jaw plates, it can provide an optimal performance and a much longer life. Designed to provide extreme durability, it is completed with a large and robust casted jaw stock and Hardox frame. Customer needs are also guaranteed to be met since this is available in 4 sizes, ranging from 22,000 to 77,000 pound excavators minimum. To further up its customization game, the GBC also has replaceable cheek plates and toggle seats, and a centralized lubrication system to minimize maintenance. The video you're now seeing is showcasing the capabilities of Joy mining machinery. This machine allows any miner to go deeper and further underground with its special and impressive support. Capable of working heavy loads even with its compact design, you'll definitely get a glimpse of how reliable this machine is, even when entering a potentially fragile tunnel. Not only limited to mining, the Joy mining machinery is also able to perform tasks like excavation and debris removal. It can also transport everything quickly and efficiently, making the whole mining team productive. Then we also have the submersive Marina trailer from the USHO Corporation. Similar to the previous machines, the main purpose of this is to function as a boat lift. Due to its design and engineering, this machine is suitable for projects involving the sea. It uses strong and unique features that allows the easier removal of boats from the water. Compared to other boat lifts, this machine cuts off any unnecessary costs and labor, since it can also act as a trailer for the picked-up boat and can successfully transport it to its destination. The OROT is a dependable machine equipped with a 4-cylinder, electric-start, diesel-powered Kubota turbo motor. It is designed to be of help in harvesting leafy greens like spinach, spring mix, and more. It has a customizable auxiliary for a more convenient attachment of accessories. The 9200 is the most advanced Ortomec harvester available that puts both efficiency and safety as a priority. Part of this is the revised driver controls that are designed to extend up to 20 feet for easier maneuvering even in tight spaces of low visibility areas. In case the harvester needs to quickly pause, its temporary stop feature allows the machine to halt for a while and resume harvesting without using any other controls. With more head options, advanced safety features, and a weatherproof control station, the 9200 is the most versatile and affordable large-scale leafy greens harvester on the market. Next is the machine best for the cultivation of berries, shrubs, conifers, and some trees. This is the DICCON multi-track high-clearance tractors, best for row crops with narrow rows of 70 to 150 centimeters. This machine is built to enable attachment of slope compensations as well as GPS acceleration in hilly terrains. The multi-strike high-clearance tractor also has an impressive level of productivity, allowing simultaneous work on a maximum of 6 crop rows in just one pass, thus saving a large amount of money and time. The Crop Care PR2500 Double Reel Plastic Mulch Lifter Wrapper combines the lifting and wrapping of plastic mulch in one go. It does this through splitting and lifting the plastic, rolling the dirt, vines, and trash to the side, and wrapping the plastic neatly into rolls, all in a sequential movement. This decreases the time spent in plastic mulch removal without sacrificing the quality of its performance. Using the PR2500 also makes the operator's job simple and enjoyable due to its operator platform design that serves as a complete view of the operation. It is also complete with convenient dual motor controls that makes tension control on each piece of plastic easier with just their thumb. Not to mention that it also has a standard single center coulter that splits the plastic, while the side coulters cut any vines or trash at the edge of the plastic. This genius machine recovers plastic at the speed of 3 to 5 miles per hour. When it comes to harvesting, Class Jaguar 900 is definitely the machine you can lean on. It has an outstanding operator assistance systems, wide range of corn cracker rollers including patented shredless technology, and unique overall concept. It promises to bring harvest safely. The Jaguar 990 is also powered by a 925 horsepower MAN V12 engine. The revision on its knife drum allows shorter lengths of cut and makes the Jaguar 990 the first forage harvester to be equipped with the new VMAX 42 knife drum. To fully perform in an efficient manner, the Jaguar is also equipped with the CMOS Intelligent Operator Assistance System and the new CBIS control system. Setting up the machine automatically is the task of CMOS, while CBIS makes the control inputs easier. Then we have the Stratman Sherpa with a mixing capacity of 12 to 14 meters cubed, making picking up, mixing, and feeding with one machine possible. It is designed with the IMS mixing auger, variability, and strength for any purpose. A robust and low-maintenance angular gear ensures a long service life even under challenging conditions. Aside from its low-power requirement, it also has an energy-saving short mixing time, an optimum fodder structure, and homogeneous mixing. Truly a fast, efficient, and high-performing machine. chopper roller from DICCON. This is attached to a tractor whenever the operation requires rolling down and cutting or trimming trees. Accuracy and efficiency are two of its main characteristics, since this can break down into shallow roots and cut trees up to 3 inches in diameter. It also has a drum that can be loaded with extra weight water and another version of it, which is known as the multi-drum version, that allows the addition of 2 blades on the rear part of it. The chopper roller is usually employed to cut and kill light to medium growth during site preparation. It's also amazing that even with its size, the chopper roller can just be pulled up by a prime mover or a skidder, hence making the assembly or attachment process easier and smoother too. Mulchers function as a machine for grinding organic material. This is done so that the volume of the natural waste is reduced so that it can be transformed into mulch. The Merit Crusher MJHS311 STX functions as both a forest mulcher and subsoiler. With its new crushing technology, multiple rotor choices, and revolving screen, it is doing a great job in clearing this new farmland. This attachment is best for medium to large tractors capable of producing up to 750 horsepower. Around 30 to 40 centimeters below the ground, this machine does the subsoiling and subjects all the organic material into crushing in this same soil layer. After that, it will be screened and filtered. The finely screened material will be further processed by the mulcher. Such a straightforward yet high-quality process. This is the Sippy Mulcher, Maxxis Soil 350, the counterpart of Klaas Xeron 5000 as the world's wildest tiller for soil and stone crusher. This has a working width of up to 3.5 meters and functions best with tractors that are powered by 300 to 500 horsepower engines. This unit boasts about its improved cutting performance, which makes cutting and mulching trees easier. In addition, this also has a reinforced structure and powerful hammers with carbide inserts so that every need is met, even when they are the most demanding requirements. This works by loosening the soil, milling the roots and stubs up to a depth of 35 centimeters, and it can also crush stones up to 50 centimeters in diameter. Designed for agricultural aeration and land management from the ground up, this tandem aerator from Ranch Works works fantastically. This attachment is capable of doing a maximum subsoil fracturing power to brush clearing and land management applications thanks to its Ranch Tech blades, heavy-duty steel structure, and triangulated tongue. It also has a varied drum offset that operators can switch if ever they need a no-till of a tillage machine. Then we also have the Breck T28, one of the most robust and flexible disc trenchers capable of tilting its disc just to the hummus. It can tilt it towards the same direction, left or right, or facing towards or away from each other. This unit is also very helpful in the field of agriculture since it can withstand even the harshest terrain conditions you could ever imagine. Whether it's a terrain with lots of rocks down to places with slashes. One of its many quirks is also the scarification, which gives more planting beds for plants and seeds, regardless of terrain. It also has other wonderful features, like the new discs made to provide better scarification quality, better economy, and easier replacement of worn-out parts than previous versions. The Breck T28 also has low traction points on its arms, making even actions on the ground, regardless of soil variations, possible. Overloading would never be a concern with this unit too, since its lateral arm has permitted movements and discs that can be rotated around its vertical axis. To top it all off, it also has sensors that detect motor housing position so that disc angle is kept consistent at all times. If traditional dozer-mounted front bush rakes appear to be very expensive and ineffective for you, the rotary brush stick rake from Savannah Global Solutions LLC might be worth your shot. Aside from its heavy-duty rakes capable of raking in fallen leaves, this machine has also successfully lifted stumps and root residues into large windrows too. This follows a certain rolling activity that helps remove soil from wood residues. This is important because this makes it perfect for clean burning or even biofuel processing. Through these powerful rotary rakes, 4 to 6 acres can be processed in only 1 hour. Talk about speed and world-class performance at once. Following that is the Merry RT600 TT heavy-duty auger of Suakone OY. This is an attachment specifically for peatland leveling and profiling and is commonly deployed for clearing new bogs and preserving old ones. With its unique auger, this is also best for development of agricultural fields on bog-based land with screw levers. This attachment is incredibly good, as it can also serve as an assistant in processing areas through reshaping them. This helps keep it dry even in the midst of rainy seasons. The byproduct of this machine can also spread uniformly across the strip and convert it to a regular milled peat product. In conducting full-scope regeneration work from scarification to planting with a single machine, the Breck P11A planting machine is the most reliable option. This easy-to-use machine provides regeneration of the highest quality and with the greatest possible consideration for environmental and ecological aspects. Plus, the operator can also choose the planting bed for each individual plant. When working with most soil types, mounding is the most appropriate way of planting. The Breck P11A is capable of making mounds of inverted humus, then later on compacting it, so that the plant is set in the middle of the mound. Depending on what the site needs, scarification can also be varied with this attachment. This can be done simply by raking the ground with the head's bucket to make scarification patches, or to plant directly without scarification. Aside from that, it also has a PLC platform-based control system that communicates over a CAN bus. This tracks the total number of the plants set in the ground as well as the number of hours used. The planting and mounding function are controlled effortlessly with 2 control buttons over the control system. This is the Barco 930B from Trex Plus, a machine powered by a 320 horsepower Cummins QSL 8.9-liter T4F engine. This amazing machine has a hydraulic load sensing system used to detect and automatically change load-based connections capacity so maximum reliability and efficiency is reached. This also has a pressure rating of up to 5,000 psi, coupled with a high-flow hydraulic pump, which is why a tremendous amount of horsepower can be provided to the connection. This unit also makes use of specific mechanisms so that it can give higher capacity and anti-clog radiators. Rough and challenging terrains are also not a problem for the Barco 930B, since it has a unique 45-degree joint design to withstand intense stress and rugged terrain. Even when working in limited spaces, this machine's flexibility is still guaranteed thanks to its general maneuverable nature. One of the most important agricultural processes is plowing. This process is done to make sure that soil is turned and broken up, making it easier to maintain crop residues and control weeds. The Magnum 140 trailing bedding plow from Savannah Global Solutions LLC is known to be a heavy-duty 4-disc device designed to build a vast, well-formed bed. This is to assist poorly drained soils during high rainy seasons by enhancing moisture retention and herbal control. It uses a patented Stump Jump TM disc relief technology to do its responsibilities. This allows the discs of the machine to automatically adjust and replace its bearings in minutes. This may look like a very simple machine, but no other offset disc on the market can do what it can. Indeed, a solution providing superior tillage with easy maintenance. Last but definitely not the least, we have the Stump Puller 1720 of Savannah Global Solutions. This machine is known to be one of the most flexible and durable stump pullers that can work in any soil conditions. This unit is made to pull stumps ranging from 4 to 23 inches in diameter and transfer it to the rotary rakes so it can be converted into wind drums. After that, these wind drums are burned or buried in the field. Thanks to its impressive optical drive speed, 3 to 4 acres can be processed under just 1 hour. Now that you've already acquainted yourself with the 11 of the most useful and powerful heavy-duty tractor attachments, please let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Before we bid goodbye, don't forget to like, leave a comment about your thoughts, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be updated with the things we post. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.